Page 85, Vive la Compagnie. I don't know if I'm really pronouncing that right, but that was my attempt at it. That's not going to get any better than that, so I'm going to leave it at that. This is a piece dealing with octaves in the right hand. Some people have really little hands, but if you can reach an octave, this is important. Please do this. I had a teacher a long time ago. It was a concert pianist lady, very good. Oh, but she could just barely reach an octave. It was a stretch for her to reach it, but she could play these. I mean, over the years she had worked on that, and that stretch gets bigger if you work on it. Don't stress yourself out, but it gets bigger, and she could play octaves. Wow, she was amazing. Here, they give you a preparatory drill. I ain't interested in them. Let's look at the piece. Second line in the right hand, you have the F's. Second measure in the second line, you got the G flats. Remember, we're still in the key of D flat major. And then E flats. And that's at the wrist. It's like a staccato, but it's not staccato. So you're just up and down as best you can. And, you know, stay relaxed and just use the wrist. Don't use the whole arm to do that. It's not a big motion. I'm exaggerating for the camera, but it's just really a little motion. You're just playing it. And practice playing this loud and soft, both of them. You need to learn to do this both. It wouldn't hurt to do it in both hands. So if you're going to do that second line, just forget what the left hand says and copy the right hand on the same note. It's good practice. Just a wrist movement is all it is. And that's playing octaves. There's a little more to it, but I don't want to throw any more wrenches into the works right now. Just get this part first. Left hand has pretty much the primary chords. Okay, fine. It's in 6/8 time, so an eighth note gets a count. Okay, fine. There's a repeat sign at the end of the first line, so we're going to play the first line twice. Fine. But it says vivace. Not fine. Vivace is very fast. It's faster than fast. Not as fast as you can go, probably, but very fast. And we're talking sixth or eighth notes. I don't think so. I mean, maybe eventually you'll play it that fast. We are not going to go vivace. We are going to go slow, slow, slow. So the vivace thing, you can work up yourself over time if that's what you want to do. But I don't recommend that. And I would certainly change the fingering, because using a little finger like that on a vivace piece isn't really the best fingering. However, let's just leave the fingering alone here. I'm not going to get into that. So I'm going to give us 6 counts. Let's try this out very slowly. So you're starting out in D flat position. Well, the left hand's a D flat position. The right hand is in some other mess, I'm not sure, but put your little finger on a D flat. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1. 4, 5, rest. 5, repeat. 2, rest. 2, 3, 4, 5, rest. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 6. 5, 6. 6.